Nope, wrong. I'm sorry, you're wrong there. That's not the way you do that. You gotta put the heavy stuff on top, then you put the light fill on top of that.
Hey,
That's the
Biff!
proper way to do it.
Hey, Biff, I'm playing
if you're
your
gonna do
latest
it, yeah,
record.
You might as well do it well.
Hey, I'm playing your latest record, Concrete Concerto.
Oh, yeah. Hey,
That's
listen
great.
to this next passage. It's one of my
Yeah.
favorites. A lot of fountain.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters X and Z, and by the number 10. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.